So look, student, this is your best trigonometric ratio chapters. Trigonometrics, that's mean it gives to a measurement of the triangles whose sides, angles, and vertices are given to you. In this chapter, you can study about the different type of triangle and their measurement. And use of the triangle trigonometric is to find the any distance from the one point to another point. If you have an idea about the angle, you are say the distance and the height of anything. For example, if you have any angle between two things, hmm, and someone say you can identify the height of your buildings, yeah, distance from the one point to another point. So this is the very beautiful things. By the side line, you can find the length and height of the using the trigonometrics. And trigonometric you are already studied in the 10th standard. Here we can use these simple examples of the related of 10th standard examples, not a higher levels. So first of all, you just to focus on the screen. ટ્રિગોનોમેટ્રિક્સમાં હોય છે શું? આપણે ટ્રાયંગલ્સ જે આપેલો હોય ને એનું મેઝરમેન્ટ કરતા શીખવાડે છે. અને સૌથી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ થિંગ્સ એ છે કે ટ્રિગોનોમેટ્રિક નો યુઝ ક્યાં થાય છે. ટ્રિગોનોમેટ્રિક નો યુઝ તમે એક જગ્યાએ હો અને અહીંથી બેઠા બેઠા આપણે કહી શકીએ કે આ બિલ્ડિંગ્સ ની હાઈટ કેટલી છે. કોઈ પણ તો ખાસ વસ્તુ trigonometric it's a really very beautiful chapters, so you must remember it. So let me start today some example related to trigonometrics. Here some simple example to start with a trigonometric chapters. Look here. This is your tutorial 3.1. First of all, you all knows about the T ratios. T ratio means there are the 6 functions which is depend on the trigonometrics, and they are the sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cota. They all are 6 trigonometric functions. First of all, we can define it, then we can find their value, and then can we decide the how could we derive this table. તો કે આ બધું આપણે એક સાથે શીખશું પણ one by one step ની અંદર. But you must remember the T ratio means કે આ 6 trigonometric function. So let me start today's examples. First of all, you must remember these things. This is the how could we find the sine theta, cos theta, tan, and using these 3 trigonometric value, you can find another 3 trigonometrics and how and why. So let's see, take some example and their formula to understand it. So look at here. So the student, the first thing which you have, this is your right angle triangle. Here suppose your angle is in 90 degree. And these 3 are vertices of the triangle. This is A, B and C. આપણો right angle triangle છે અને હંમેશા trigonometrics એ right angle triangle ઉપરથી જ મળે, કોઈ બીજા triangles ઉપરથી ના મળે. And જ્યારે આપણે trigonometrics ની અંદર triangle નું chapter ભણીએ ને ત્યારે આપણે એક વસ્તુ યાદ રાખી હતી, which The angle which is 19 degree whose opposite side is always known as the hypotenuse. આજે એંગલ 90 છે એની સામેની સાઈડ હંમેશા હાઇપોટેન્યસ કહેવાશે. એટલે કે કર્ણ. હવે b, the value of b are known. b ની કિંમત બધાને ખબર છે. We have a two angles a and c are different. We don't say anything about the what is the value of angle a and what is the value of angle b. So what we can do, અહીંયા આપણે આ બંને એંગલ્સ ની વેલ્યુ ખબર નથી તો આપણે એને ફાઇન્ડ કરવા છે. સો લેટ મી સપોઝ ધીસ ઇઝ એંગલ ઇટ્સ થીટા. વી ડોન્ટ નો what is the meaning of the theta, but theta is an unknown angles. હવે જે આ થીટા છે, this is the theta whose opposite, this side is known as opposite side. Just wait a second. This is your hypotenuse. Your unknown angle say theta. This opposite side of theta, it is AB. It's called the opposite side of angles. Opposite એટલે theta ની સામેની બાજુ. And this side BC is known as the adjacent side, એટલે કે એની પાસેની બાજુ. જો આ થીટાની સામેની છે ને એટલે એની સામેની બાજુ. આ થીટાની નજીક છે એટલે માટે એને પાસેની બાજુ કહેશું. This is the opposite to the angle, so it is the opposite side. This is the adjacent side. એટલે કે પાસેની બાજુ. So let me define the six trigonometric which is depend on the theta. So first of all we have a theta. The sin theta defined as sin theta માં ખાલી એટલે sin એટલે s એટલે સામેની બાજુ છેદમાં કર્ણ. આ બધા ફોર્મ્યુલા તમે 10th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ માં ભણી ગયા છો. So sin theta that means the opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side એટલે કઈ છે AB and divided by hypotenuse એટલે કે s. So sin theta defined like a opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side which is the angle opposite side and adjacent is the opposite of the 19 degree. Now the cos theta, we can use the opposite side, which is remaining side is not used. This is the adjacent side. So adjacent side gives to you the cos theta. So the cos theta is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. You must remember these two formula. The adjacent length is BC and hypotenuse is AC. And look the student, if you angle change the angle, but the not always hypotenuse is fixed. જો તમે એ C જગ્યાએ થીટા બનાવેલો છે, C ની જગ્યાએ એ જગ્યાએ એ વર્ટાઇસિસ છે ત્યાં થીટા બનાવો તો પણ તમારો હાઇપોટેનસ સેમ ટુ સેમ રહેશે. તો આ મળી ગયું સાઇન અને કોસ. અને લાસ્ટમાં ત્રીજું એક યાદ રાખવાનું છે tan. This is your tan theta. Tan theta that means sin theta upon cos theta. The value of sin is what? Sin means opposite upon hypotenuse. And cos theta is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. Look here, the both have a common denominator. They are cancelled. The remaining terms, it's just opposite upon adjacent. And look here, the opposite side we can say It's AB and upon BC. So these are the formula you must remember it. So remember sine means સામેની બાજુ છેદમાં કર્ણ, opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side means if you do anywhere your angle whose સામે થીટાની સામેની જે બાજુ છે opposite of the angles and adjacent જે nearby to angles it is adjacent side જે થીટાની સાવ અડીને હોય એને આપણે કહેશું Look, student, if you take the reciprocal of the sine theta, just change the denominator and numerator. What happen? આપણે sin theta ની વેલ્યુ છે opposite upon hypotenuse એનું આપણે રિવર્સ કરી નાખીએ અંશ અને છેદને ચેન્જ કરી નાખીએ just take the reciprocal and what happens sin theta is opposite upon hypotenuse if you take the reciprocal it will be hypotenuse upon opposite. And look here, hypotenuse is AC and upon AB. You can see directly. You don't need the formula. Look here, sec theta, it's reciprocal of the cos theta. And the formula of the cos theta it is directly we can say it's AC upon BC. That's mean hypotenuse upon adjacent. And then look here, the last formula for the cot. Cot is a reciprocal of the tan theta. That's mean tan theta, this is the opposite upon adjacent. Now the cot theta become the reciprocal of it. It's adjacent upon opposite. Reciprocal meaning એનું ઊંધો કરી નાખવાનો. અંશ છેદને interchange કરી નાખવાના. This is the BC upon AB. So this is the formula. The 6 trigonometric functions are the useful to you. Now tell me if you have any doubt about this. Remember it. If you have any queries, so tell me. Otherwise, I give you some work to you. Okay. So the Aryan, Tia, Soham, you could understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, and the Nikita and the meat and so on. Understood this thing?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, good to know. Now, tell me if I change the value of the theta, then what happened here? Here my theta is and vertex is at a vertex is C. If I change the value of theta, then you can tell me the formula of these 6 trigonometrics. Remember the sin theta, that's means the opposite upon hypotenuse. Cos means adjacent upon hypotenuse. Tan means opposite upon adjacent. Cosec is opposite means reciprocal of the sin. Sec is a reciprocal of the cos and the cot is reciprocal of the tan. Now tell me the one thing, if you understood all things, then what happened? If I change the value of theta here, This is my triangle, and here again the B is a 90 degree. This is the A and this is C. But here my theta is here. A angle is my theta. So first of all, tell me which is the opposite side of the angle. Anyone can say? હવે theta ની સામેની બાજુ કઈ થઈ?
BC upon AC.
Right. નહીં. theta ની સામેની થઈ BC. A ની opposite side થઈ ગઈ. Very good. I ની opposite side. સામે આવી ગઈ ને? હવે થાય theta ની પાસેની બાજુ. A ની adjacent થઈ ગઈ. તો આ એની પાસેની બાજુ છે. It's adjacent side. અને આ 90 તો ડિગ્રી ફિક્સ જ છે. એની જે સામેની સાઈડ છે એ તમારો હાઇપોટેન્યુસ છે. Now tell me the value of sin theta. What happens when the angle will be changed? So sin theta is defined. Sin theta so much is formula same. It's opposite upon adjacent. Opposite upon hypotenuse. But look here, the opposite will be changed when if I change the theta. Place of the theta. જો theta નો place change કરશો તો opposite side બદલાઈ જશે. Hypotenuse fix રહેશે, opposite અને adjacent change થઈ જશે. હવે આપણે BC એ આપણી sin ની opposite side છે અને AB એ adjacent side છે. હવે મને formula લખાવો. ચલો બધાને સમજાઈ ગયું ને? તો sin theta નું formula opposite upon hypotenuse. તો અહીંયા મેથેમેટિકલ ABCD ની અંદર વર્ટાઇસિસ ના ફોર્મમાં શું લખાશે? So this is the BC.
BC upon AC.
Right. It's the BC upon AC. You don't need to put in check. Okay, you just tell me and unmute yourself. Second, cos theta means formula same. Adjacent upon hypotenuse. But here the adjacent will be changed. Yeah, so what is the adjacent side? Adjacent side change. AB.
AB upon AC.
Very good. It's AB upon AC. Now the tan theta is defined like this is your tan theta. That's means the sine upon cos. You just remember the sine is BC upon AC and the cos is AB upon AC. And both have a common denominator will be cancelled. So the tan theta become opposite upon adjacent. And opposite side is
BC
defined like right, very good. It's a BC upon AB. Okay, now tell me about the cosec theta. Cosec means it's a reciprocal of the sin theta. Just tell me their AB, BC values. What happened? Cos theta, cosec theta. I'm writing here. Cosec is a reciprocal of the sin theta. The value of the sin. Yes, right, definitely. Hypotenuse upon
Opposite.
Right. So the formula hypotenuse is AC, but opposite will be changed. It's a BC, and so on. Now the another formula I'm writing here. The sec theta, it's the opposite of the cosec theta. The cos theta and the reciprocal of the cos means hypotenuse upon adjacent. That is AC upon AB and so on. The last thing, it's a cot theta. Cot theta is again reciprocal of the tan theta and so on. So these are the formula if I changing the value of theta A and C. Adjacent upon opposite. Here your adjacent side, it's AB and upon BC. So student, you must remember this formula when you have a change the angles. If your unknown theta in place of C, so use this formula. If your angle in place of A, so use this formula. But everywhere you must remember the formula. What is the sine, cos, and tan, and so on. So let me start today's tutorial, which are depend on this formula. There you must remember these 6 trigonometrics here. Look here, the first question on your screen. Here you have a triangle whose angle B is 19 degree and two sides away you have given, and you can find these remaining terms. They ask you to find the sine, cos, and tan A. That's mean your angle in the place of A. Now look here, what happened here. So first of all, you can draw your triangle in every time. This is your A, and this is our triangle ABC. And B is 19 degree, so this is your B. Look here, we want to find the A angles. That's mean your theta is here. Okay, student. So this is your A angle whose opposite side it is. It is your opposite side. ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખવાનું જ્યાં થીટા આપેલો છે એની સામેની બાજુને એની opposite side કહેશે. So this is your opposite side. તો આ opposite છે hypotenuse તો fix રહેશે. This is your hypotenuse. અને આ થીટા અહીંયા આપેલો છે એ એંગલ્સ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો છે પહેલા ક્વેશ્ચન ની અંદર. So we can say this is your adjacent side. Hope you understood. Now we have it, two sides are given. The first side is length of AB. That means the AB are given. Okay, we have AB is given. The value of AB is 3 centimeter. Then BC is given. BC is given. It's a 4 centimeter. So let me put here the value. Which is we have. The length of AB is 3 centimeter. This is the 3 centimeter. The BC is also given. It's a 4 centimeter. And they ask you to find the sine A, cos A, and tan A. But for the sine and cos, we need the hypotenuse. આપણે sine અને cos ના ફોર્મ્યુલા જોઈ લીધા જ્યારે એંગલ આપણે આ રીતે હોય તો. અહીંયા A પાસે થીટા એંગલ્સ હોય તો sin માટે opposite upon hypotenuse જોશે. So look here, we have opposite sides are also we have. I have an opposite side 4 centimeter, but I didn't have a hypotenuse. So what can I do to find the hypotenuse? I'm using the Pythagoras theorem. Oh, very good. It's very good. So let me use the hypotenuse. Let me find the hypotenuse by the Pythagoras theorem. So by the Pythagoras, Pythagoras says the hypotenuse square is equal to the square of the two sides and take this addition. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. I want to find the value of AC. Put the value of AB and BC which are given to you. So AB is 3 centimeter. It's a 3 square. BC is 4 centimeter. It's a 4 square. Apply this square. 9 and 16. It's a 25. So AC square I got, but I just want the AC, not the square. So square is converted into the square root. So you find the AC whose length is a 5 centimeter. And student, you must remember the one thing, Square root always gives the two value positive and negative, but remember the length of the triangle is always in positive. So we ignoring the negative sign. So by default we take the length is in positive terms. તો ખાસ સ્ટુડન્ટ આ વસ્તુ યાદ રાખવાની છે તમારે. સ્ક્વેર રૂટ આવે તો ઘણા વખત બધા કન્ફ્યુઝ થઈ જાય છે મેડમ પોઝિટિવ લખીએ કે નેગેટિવ, પણ કોઈ પણ ટ્રાયંગલ હોય એની લેન્થ હોય ને એ હંમેશા પોઝિટિવ હોય. બાય ડિફોલ્ટ તમારે પોઝિટિવ જ લેવી પડે. ઓકે, આપણે કોઈની લેન્થ એમ ના કહી શકીએ કે કોઈ પણ એક સ્ટૂલ લીધું યા કોઈ બ્લોક્સ લીધો લાકડાનો અને કે આની લેન્થ આની લંબાઈ -5 કિલોમીટર છે, એવું ના હોય, એવું શક્ય નથી, એ બોલાતું નથી તો એ વસ્તુ એપ્લાય પણ નથી થતી. So by default you can take your any length of the triangle in positive terms. So this is your length, so we can find this 3 length. So let me find this 3 unknown quantity using this formula. Very good. Okay, the many students take part in the class. Good. So let me find the first quantity, sin A, cos A and tan A. Then what happened? Look here. Your first one, to get all sides of the given triangles. So first of all, I'm fine. Here, I draw again. This is the ABC. This is your unknown angle theta. This is your opposite. It's adjacent. It's hypotenuse. Opposite length is 4 centimeter. This is the 3 centimeter and your hypotenuse is a 5 centimeter. So look here, first of all we can find the sin A. Because my first question is sin A, cos A and tan A. This is our first question to find sin A, cos A and tan A. So look here, answer is sin A. That's mean opposite upon hypotenuse. The length of the opposite is a 4 centimeter upon 3 centimeter. Sorry, 5 centimeter. So this is your answer. Many students tell me, ma'am, suppose the x and then cut. It's don't need to do. You just directly put the value, and because the ratio is always gives to a constant number. તો ક્યારે તમારે x સપોઝ કરી અથવા k સપોઝ કરીને મેળવવાની જરૂર નથી, તમે ડાયરેક્ટ વેલ્યુ લખી શકો. ઓકે, so this is your sin A. Now we can find the cos A. Cos A means formula of the cos is, you just remember the formula. Okay, cos means adjacent upon hypotenuse. So what happened? Adjacent, that's means 3 upon 5. And the last, it's the tan A. Tan A means opposite upon adjacent. So what is the value of opposite? It's a 4 centimeter and adjacent is a 3 centimeters. So this is the answer of the first question. Hope you understood all the student. Very good, Aryan. And the Lulu, you too. Soham, you also done very good. Ria, yes, Pascal, very good. Now, the second question, moving on to second question. The second question can say, find the sin C, cos C and tan C. Okay, not A. The change in the angle. So what we can do? Don't need to worry about. So first of all, you can draw the triangle. Okay, this is the best thing to find any trigonometric concept. First draw the triangle, give their name. And here your angle is here. So this is your angle. It is your opposite side. It's your adjacent side. And this is your hypotenuse. But the length of AB, BC are given, it's a 4 centimeter. AB is given 3 centimeter and AC is given 5 centimeter. Length doesn't change. If you can change the angles. ભાઈ તમે એંગલ ચેન્જ કરો તો કઈ વાંધો નહીં પણ એની સાથે કઈ લેન્થ નહીં ચેન્જ થઈ જાય ટ્રાયંગલ્સ ની. ઓકે. So my second question, it is you can find the sin C, cos C and tan C. Let me find the C. Okay. So first of all, we can find the sin C. They use the C word. So we can put the C. If they ask you to theta, you can say theta. C, sin means, remember the formula. Sin is opposite upon hypotenuse. અત્યારે હું આ બધા ફોર્મ્યુલા લખું છું પછી ડાયરેક્ટ આન્સર લખીશ. આ બધામાં ફોર્મ્યુલા નહીં લખું. એકાદા બે એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ છે એટલે ફોર્મ્યુલા લખીએ છીએ પછી ડાયરેક્ટ આન્સર. So this is the opposite upon hypotenuse. So look here, the opposite side it's changed. It's a 3/5. Second, cos C. Cos C means remember this. Cos means opposite upon, sorry, adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent means 4 centimeter upon 5 centimeter. The centimeter give cancel. So this is the answer. And the last, it's a tan C. It's opposite upon adjacent. Opposite means 3 centimeter. Adjacent means 4 centimeter. So this is the answer. Hope you understood. Tell me if you have any query about this question. આ ટાઈપનો બીજો ક્વેશ્ચન તમને લોકોને ડાયરેક્ટ આપવાની છું એટલા માટે પૂછું છું. કોઈ ક્વેશ્ચન હોય તો પૂછો 1 અને 2 ની અંદર. Have any doubt about this 1 and 2? Okay, good to know. ચલો તો આગળ વધીએ. નંબર 3. Third number question on your screen is very good to all of you. Yes, look at the third number question. The question third say you can find the cos sec A, sec A and cot A. So here you can again you need to draw the triangles. But this is the last time to draw the triangle, okay? હવે વારે વારે નહીં ડ્રો કરો. એ આ ઉપરથી આપણે બધું કરી લેશું. હવે બધું વસ્તુ એક ટ્રાયંગલ્સ ઉપરથી. So this is your B. Here the ABC are fixed. Here look here. This is the opposite side. First of all you can put the length. આ બધાની length મૂકી દો. પછી એના opposite side નું નામ આપી દો. This length is 4 centimeter. And it is 5 centimeter. Now you can give them angle A, its opposite side, its adjacent, and its hypotenuse. When you have this angle A, okay. So let me first of all find the third number things. Third number things is sec cos A, sec A and tan A. So cosec A. Cosec A is a reciprocal of the sine. Sine means opposite upon hypotenuse. But here the cosec means hypotenuse upon opposite. Hypotenuse is 5 centimeter. Opposite is a 4 centimeter. The next person, sec A means, this is your third person answer. Sec A. Sec A means opposite of the cos. Cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse. This change. Hypotenuse upon adjacent. And this is the 5 by 3. And cot. It's reciprocal of the tan theta. Tan is opposite upon adjacent. Cot is adjacent upon opposite. So this is your 3 by 4. Hope you understood. Now next question which is on screen is, this is the 4th number question. ચલો 4th નો હું ગણાવીશ, 5th નો તમારે આન્સર દેવાનો છે. I am doing the 4th number. You can find the value of 5th number. So 4th one is, look here. Student, this is your A angles. If I change, this is your C angles. So for C, this side become opposite and this side become adjacent. For C only, huh? અહીંયા મેં બંને કલર ડિફરન્ટ યુઝ કરેલા છે. એ એંગલ્સ માટે બ્લેક કલર નો યુઝ કરેલો છે, સી એંગલ્સ માટે રેડ કલર બે યુઝ કરેલો છે. તો તમને પણ થોડો ક્લિયર થઈ જાય. So let me find the next person. Tan A and cot A. Sorry, cot C. Tan A minus cot C. હવે ડાયરેક્ટ લખું છું. ઓકે the student, tan A means A. So focus on A. Tan A means opposite upon hypotenuse. Sorry, opposite upon adjacent. For the angle A, opposite upon adjacent. And cot A means adjacent upon opposite. ભલે ને angles કોઈ formula તો same છે ને. Now you can focus on the angle A. This is your A angle. A whose opposite side, this is 4 centimeter and this is 3. So this is the 4 by 3. Minus, now focus on the C angles. This thing. C's opposite side, this one, and this is the adjacent side, this one. This again 4 by 3. Look here, the 4 by 3, 4 by 3 are cancelled. It's a 0. ફોર્મ્યુલા સેમ છે, બસ આપણે એંગલ ચેન્જ કરીએ. એંગલ ચેન્જ થાય તો આ રીતે આન્સર પણ ચેન્જ થશે. Understood? Have any doubt about this question? Okay, so I think the 4th number you have got it. Now tell me, what is the value of the 5th? You can find the value of 5th numbers. Very good, Aryan and Dia, you both done good. Right, definitely right. Yes. Yes, very good. Yes, you just put the 5. Answer is 5. Okay. So right, the fifth answer is fifth no answer thase 0. Fifth we got to 0. The last number 6 we can find the cosec square minus sine square. So let me find the cosec square a minus sine square a. Last question for example 1. Sixth number cosec square a cos square a minus sine square a. So this is your triangle. This is your directly I'm writing here. This is the angle. It's your opposite and it's your adjacent and your hypotenuse. And the length of these are the 4, 5 and 3. Answer of the question is we have a cos square a minus sine square a. Cos is defined like cos a કઈ રીતે મળે અને sin a કઈ રીતે મળે. Cos is 3/5 and sin a it's a 4/5. ચલો આ બધાની વેલ્યુ આની અંદર પુટ કરો. You can put all things in here. Here you have a square. If I is square, cos is 3/5 whole square minus sine square. This is a 4/5 whole square. Apply this square. Square above both sides. 3 square is 9. 5 square 25. Nine, 25, 4 square 16, 25. Both terms have a common denominator. Apply it. Take the LCM. 9 minus 16. So 9 minus 16 is a minus 7. Yes, minus 7 upon 25, which is your answer. Hope you understood all 6 examples. So what we can do in these 6 examples, just take the quick review. These are the formula for every angles. First of all, you can find the unknown side by the Pythagoras theorem. So this is your triangle. Using the formula, you can put the value of given ratios. If the angle will be changed, side is changed. And one by one, you can get the value after you got the answer. This is the square. So hope you understood the all student. Now tell me the next exercise which you have. Tell me the answer of the following question. The question on your screen is, look here. જે આપણે પહેલા મેળવી લીધું એ જ છે, બટ અહીંયા બસ સાઈડની લેન્થ ચેન્જ કરી નાખેલી છે. તો હવે તમે મને કહો કે શું આન્સર આવે. Okay, ready, start it. Okay, AC is 25. Very good, yes. So in this question, one student say the answer of the remaining sides. This is your triangle. This is your ABC triangles. AB is given 24 centimeter. BC is given 7 centimeter. AC you can find by the Pythagoras. It is a 25 centimeter. Now you can find the remaining. Sin A, cos A, and tan A. And 10 meter value. Okay, Aryan. It's very beautiful. S is 25, sin A, cos A, and tan A. All things. The first person, sin A is equal to 24 upon 25. Cos A is equal to good 7 upon 25. And tan A is equal to 24 upon 7. Good. Next one, number 2. Sin C is Aryan, and yes, you done very good. Now your angle is in C mode. Right, very good. Yes. Aryan, you just look your value. It's a 7 by. It's a 24 by 7. When you have an angle A, this is your opposite side. This is your adjacent side. So look here, the sine, cos, and tan. Sine is opposite upon hypotenuse. Sine A is 7 upon 25. Cos A means adjacent upon 25. And the tan means 7 upon 24. Look here. Aryan, you understood? Okay, no problem, no problem. But in the example, you don't do mistake again. Okay, you give me the answer of the C angles, not the A angles. So your cos C is just opposite upon hypotenuse, adjacent upon hypotenuse, which is 7/25. And then C is sine upon cos, common denominator cancel 24/7. Now the what about the question C? Question number 3. You just take the value, just take the reciprocal of the all three angles which you have angles on. થર્ડ ની અંદર કેટલું કરવાનું? આપણે એ એંગલ્સ ની ત્રણે ત્રણ વેલ્યુ મેળવી લીધી છે ને રેસિપ્રોકલ લઈ લેવાનું. cosec A just reciprocal of the sin A. sin નું રિવર્સ લખી નાખો, રેસિપ્રોકલ લખી નાખો, ચેન્જ કરી નાખો ન્યુમેરેટર ડિનોમિનેટર. 25/7. sec A is a reciprocal of the cos A. It's 25/24. And the tan A, it's a reciprocal of the, sorry, cot A is a reciprocal of the tan A. The reciprocal of the tan A, it's a 24/7. Okay. Now, we can find tan A and cot C. Fourth number. Look here, tan A you already you have. Tan A is a 7/24. And cot C, you also have it. Is by tan C. You can easily you can find the tan reciprocal of the tan C. It's a cot C. And just take the subtract. So hope you got it. That student, tan A minus cot C is 0. Good. The question no answer આવશે third number no 0. Means fourth number is 0. And what is the fifth? અહીંયા આપણી પાસે જેટલા એંગલ્સ છે બધાનો યુઝ કરી અને પછી આન્સર લેવાનો. What about the fifth? Yes, right. Definitely, it's also 0. And the last, cos square minus sin square. Cosine, sine, if both you have, take the square and put and subtract. Okay, 527 by 625. Okay, done. Very good. So the last question have answer is 527 by 625. This is the 527 by 625. So these are the answer of the following question. So now we're moving on to the next topic, means next things. So let me start. So all 6 questions you have answer. Hope you understood. Now we're moving on to the next one. Look here. Here, student, you have a one value are given. You can find the another 2 values. That's mean what happened here? અહીંયા આપણી પાસે you have given to you sine A. This is the 3/4. So first of all, you can draw the triangle. This is your triangle. This is just like a triangle. Yes, this is your right angle triangle. This is ABC. Here you have a sine A. This is your sine A. Sine A is 3/4. The formula of the sine A is the opposite upon hypotenuse. Okay. Sine A means opposite upon hypotenuse. So means this is your angle A, whose opposite side is BC, and whose hypotenuse is here. And the value of BC is 3, and value of hypotenuse is 4. This side is missing. This adjacent side are not. અહીંયા sin A ની વેલ્યુ આપેલી છે તો sin A માં આપણે મીટર સેન્ટીમીટર માં રેશિયો નથી આપેલો એટલે રેશિયો ની અંદર જે પણ લેન્થ હોય કોમન લેન્થ એ કેન્સલ થઈ જાય which just take all the length in centimeter या meter. It's your choice. No need to suppose K या anything to give the ratio. You just directly put and go flow. આપણે રિયલ માં એક્ઝામ્પલ છે ને સપોઝ કરીને ગણવાના હોય છે પણ આપણે અહીંયા સપોઝ નહીં કહેતા. Here I am directly taking the value of unit value 1. Okay, so this is your given. Sin A is given. Sin A is equal to 3/4. And formula of the sin A is opposite upon hypotenuse. I need the cos A. Cos A's formula means adjacent upon hypotenuse. I want adjacent first of all. So by the Pythagoras theorem, I am finding the remaining length. So by the Pythagoras, Pythagoras says AC square is equal to AB square and BC square. BC is given 3 unit and AC is given 4 unit. I need this length. First of all, find the length of AB. Put the all thing in this formula. Oh, right, AB is under root 7. Good. So AC is 4 square. AB is unknown, need to find. BC is 3, it's a 3 square. Give the square all side is a 16. AB square and 9. This 9 from here, they change their sign. So it will be a 16 minus 9 is equal to AB square. If the 16 minus 9 is a 7, it's AB square. But I want AB, not AB square. So square is converted into the square root. Hence your AB is under root 7 unit. So student, you got the all three sides and you can put anything. So this is your triangle. This is your ABC. Sine A you have. It's 3 by, what is 3 by 4. This is opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. Opposite is 3 unit. Hypotenuse is 4 unit. And adjacent we can find it's under 7 unit. So cos A is equal to, direct you can write the value of cos A, not you need to put the every time your formula adjacent upon hypotenuse. That's mean under 7 by 4 and then A. Opposite upon adjacent, it's a 3 by under 7. So student, this is your answer. First of all, you can find the remaining side. By the Pythagoras and apply in it. It's easy to find. Understood? Okay, now tell me the next question which is on screen is, yes, the fourth question for you. You have 15 cot A is equal to 8. That means cot A is equal to, this 15 is moving on the denominator. Cot A is equal to 8 by 15. Cot means the formula of the cot. It's adjacent upon opposite. Means if you have any triangle, this is your triangle. Those adjacent and opposite sides are given. This is your A angle. It's B and C. This angle's opposite side is, this is opposite side of A and this is the adjacent of A. Adjacent is 8 unit Opposite, it's 15 units. First of all, you can get the hypotenuse. And it's what? By the Pythagoras, first of all, you can find the hypotenuse. This formula of the chord is adjacent upon opposite. So, all the students, please tell me length of AC. This is your hypotenuse. Okay, Dia, very good. The length of AC is 17 units. Means your hypotenuse is 70. Just directly find the value. Sin A opposite upon hypotenuse is a 15 by 17. Sec A. It's opposite of the cos. Cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Is the hypotenuse of adjacent. It's the 17 by adjacent. For this, you must remember the formula. If you are not able to do so, you first of all you can find the value of cos. Okay. If you have no idea about the sec, you can find the value of cos. Cos is just 8 upon 70. Take the reciprocal, you got sec. So sec A is 17 upon 8. Again, you don't need to get the okay. ચલો ફરી એક વખત તમને એસી ફાઇન્ડ કરીને બતાવો એસી વેલ્યુ 70 નથી આવતી Okay, no problem. How many students got the AC 17? No one. Dia, you got it. Okay. So let me check. Here the adjacent upon opposite 8, 15 and 17. Okay. This is your triangle. Chord A is equal to 8 upon 15. This means this is your beautiful triangles. This is your ABC. This angle is given. This side is opposite and it's your adjacent and it's your hypotenuse. Now look here, the formula of the chord is adjacent upon opposite. Okay. The value of adjacent is 8, opposite it's 15. So by the Pythagoras theorem, apply this thing. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB means H square. BC means 15 square. 8, 64, 15 to 25. Take this sum. It's a 289. Square is converted into the square root. 289 is the square root of the 70. So AC is equal to 70. Got it? By the way, you can find these three things. Okay, now we're moving on to the next one. Yes. The fifth number question say you can find the all three ratio. Trigonometric ratio means sine, cos, sec, cosec, all things. First of all, they gave you one hint, sec A, sec theta. Sec theta, that means 13 by 12. Opposite of the sec theta, we all know it's a cos theta. Cos theta means 12 upon 30. They didn't say anything. Where is your theta? You can put your theta, it's your choice. અહીંયા આપણે નથી કીધું કે A angle કે C angle theta છે. Theta એટલે તમે A અને C ની કોઈ પણ જગ્યાએ મૂકી શકો. So look here, this is your triangle. This is your 3 points ABC. And always here it's the 90 degree. But I like the theta always in C form. I put always theta. જ્યારે તમે fix ના કીધું હોય ને, your angle A and C. Okay, you can put anywhere your theta. But I like the theta in always in C. The C vertices. So this is your opposite. And this is your adjacent. And it's your hypotenuse. Cos theta means what? Cos is what? It's adjacent upon hypotenuse. So we have adjacent side. This is the 12. And hypotenuse is 30. I want to find the opposite side. So first of all, you can find the opposite by the Pythagoras theorem. જ્યારે theta તમને કોઈ fixed value A કે C ના આપેલી હોય, so you can put the theta in anywhere. So by the Pythagoras theorem, it's AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. You have a AC. Okay, length of AC is 13 centimeter. So it's a 13 square. AB is unknown length. You need to find. BC is 12. So put 12. 13 square is 169. AB is remaining side. In 14 square 144. 144 moving here. They change their sign. So the AB square is equal to 25. But I want a square. I want the only AB, not a AB square. So the square is converted into the square root. So 25 square root is 5. So length of opposite side is a 5 unit. Okay. So let me find the all T ratio. આટલું કરી જાય પછી આપણે or we can find all T ratios. So it's easy. First of all, you can draw the triangle. This is your ABC. It's your theta here. It's opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent. We can find all three sides 12, 13, and 5. So opposite sides are 5. It's 12 and 30. Remaining, your hypotenuse is always bigger than the all sides. Longest side of your triangle is your hypotenuse in right angle triangle. Chalo. First of all, we can find the sine theta directly, not by the formula, directly. So the sine theta means opposite upon hypotenuse. This is the 5 by 30. By the reciprocal of the sine theta, I got the cosec theta. Directly take the reciprocal. It's 13 by 5. You got the cosec theta. Second, you have a sec theta and cos theta. Cos theta means adjacent upon hypotenuse, 12 by 13, which we have. આપેલું જ હતું પણ આપણે ફરી લખીએ. It's a sec theta. It's a reciprocal of it. It's a 13 by 12. Now the tan theta is opposite upon adjacent. That's means 5 by 12. Was reciprocal, we have cot theta. Directly you can write the 12 by 5. This is your all T ratios. This all six things are known as a T ratios. So what we can do? We have a one trigonometric function we have. Using it, we can get the reciprocal of it. Find the remaining side. After getting the all three sides, you can put in the formula of the T ratio and you can find the all six trigonometric functions which are known as the T ratios. So hope you understood. Have any query, doubt, anything? Okay. Silence, always say you understood all things. Okay, then let me moving on the next person and tell me the answer. Yes. Here the cos theta is given to you 3 by 4 and you can find the all T ratios. Start. Yes, this is the last person for today. The remaining tutorial we will continue in the next class. Okay. Yes. Arya, it's okay. You don't need to write every time the formula. You can directly put this question. Okay? Directly you can put your answer without formula. It's really okay. No problem. You can do this thing directly, but this thing you always need to show. कि Pythagoras theorem use करो तो बतावानु है. Directly AB is 5 unit, it's not thing. But you can put here this for thing in direct mode. Okay, you don't need to write always opposite upon hypotenuse and so on. So this is the last question for today's tutorial. The tutorial is remaining, but today I'm stopped here. First of all, you can tell me the length of triangles. Means you can apply the Pythagoras theorem and tell me all the sides. This is your triangle. I put here as a theta. Okay, length of AB, BC, and AC. Your theta is anywhere, you don't need to worry. It's always give you the same values. So length of AB is what? And length of BC is what? And AC is what? AB is 3. Okay. 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 Good. Right. AB is 3 unit because this is the adjacent side. It's 3. It's opposite side. It's 4. Sorry, it's hypotenuse. It's 4. And BC is under it. 3, 4. This is your cos theta, Aryan.
Ma'am, 3 answer કેવી રીતે આવે AB નો?
6 minutes. Look here. I can put the C as a theta. So the cos theta is given to you. It's a 3/4. For formula of the cos theta, it's adjacent upon hypotenuse.
મેમ AB
adjacent.
નથી આવતો.
So beta,
AB નો આન્સર √7 નથી આવતો.
તો જે theta જો આ લીધો હોય ને બટા, A angles is on theta form, તો A બી આપણે અંડર રૂટ મળી જાય, કોઈ વાંધો નહીં, બંનેમાં સાચું જ છે. ઓકે, મેં અહીંયા C ના પ્લેસ ઉપર થીટા લીધો છે, તો અત્યારે મારી આ સોરી રાઈટ I'm wrong. Right, definitely you are right. This is your opposite side and this is your adjacent side. Fine. Opposite, adjacent is C.
બટ મેં એ ઉપર થીટા લીધો હતો.
હા તો કઈ વાંધો નહીં, તો અહીંયા આપણે 4 આવશે. સોરી, હા અહીંયા આવશે અંડર રૂટ તો 7, અહીંયા આવશે 3. નો પ્રોબ્લેમ. ખાલી આ બંને જ ચેન્જ થશે, હાઇપોટેનસ તો ફિક્સ રહેશે ને. જો ઘણા લોકોએ આ રીતે થીટા લીધો હોય તો કઈ વાંધો નહીં. આ તમારો રાઈટ એંગલ ટ્રાયેંગલ છે. ફોર્મ્યુલા કોસ નું તો સેમ રહેશે ને. This is your ABC. B is always in 90 degree. This a fixed thing. અહીંયા કોઈ થીટા લીધો છે તો આ એની ઓપોઝિટ સાઈડ થઈ, આ એની એડજસન્ટ સાઈડ થઈ, અને હાઇપોટેનસ તો હંમેશા ફિક્સ જ રહેશે. Now opposite sides given here, not given, adjacent is given. It's a 3. Hypotenuse is given. It's 4. It's 3 and 4. So by 3 and 4, you apply the Pythagoras first of all. You can find the remaining side. And always you got the remaining side. It's under root 7, not 5. 5 ક્યારે મળે? જ્યારે અહીંયા 4 હોય ને opposite side given હોય ને તો. અહીંયા આપણે hypotenuse given છે. સમજાય છે કે નહીં? Hello? Understood?
Yes,
here?
ma'am.
Okay, અહીંયા આપણે tan theta આપેલો હોત ને તો આપણે adjacent અને opposite આપેલું હોત. But અહીંયા આપણે cos theta છે, so the value of the cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse. And adjacent is 3 and hypotenuse is 4. Okay, and apply the Pythagoras theorem. You can get the value of opposite side is under root 7. Okay, here you also got the under root 7. If you take any value of theta, okay, this is your sin theta. Always adjacent upon opposite upon hypotenuse. It's under root 7 by 4. Any value of theta. And by the cos theta, sin theta, you got the cosec. It's just a reciprocal of it. ભાઈ તમે થીટા A ઉપર મૂકો યા C ઉપર મૂકો, ગમે ઉપર મૂકો, તમને વેલ્યુ હંમેશા સરખી જ મળશે. This is the cos theta you have. This is the 3 by 4. Whose reciprocal is sec theta. It's 4 by 3. Then directly your tan theta is adjacent upon opposite. Sorry, opposite upon adjacent under root 7 by 3 is cot x. 3 by under root 7. Hope you understood. ચલો સમજાણું કે હજી ડાઉટ છે?
Yes, ma'am. સમજાય.
All student સમજાઈ ગયો ને? All the student understood? So the student today stopped here. Be ready for the attendance. Okay. So the electrical student, first of all, you unmute yourself. Electrical.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Electrical student.
Yes, ma'am. Number 1.
Okay. Number 2. Now you can go and you can enjoy the remaining day. Number 2. Number 3. Electrical 3. 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Electrical 5. 6. And electrical 7. Now the chemical student, admit yourself. Any student have a problem to mic, yeah, any network issue, you just put your attendance in the chat box. Number 1 in chemical branch, Madina. Okay, number 2 Number 3, Dia.
Ma'am.
Okay, number 4, number 5.
Present, ma'am.
Which number you have?
4.
Okay. 5, 6.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, number 7, 8, 9. 10. 11. 12. 13.
Present, ma'am.
12 and 13 both. 14. 15. 16.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 17.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Madam number 12, present.
21 present.
Okay,
Ma'am, 13.
13 done.
13.
Yes, done. 13.
Madam number 12, present.
Number 12. Okay,
Yes, number 12, present.
done. Done, William. Calvin. 10 number. Done. Now any student is remaining in chemical branch? 22, meet.
Ma'am,
Aryan.
22.
Okay, done, Aryan. Any other in
Yes, ma'am.
electrical branch? Okay, you can leave. Okay, have any problem? You put your attendance in chat box. Let me collect there.